Hello, hello! Welcome back to Red Ted Art. Today we're making this super cute bee hand puppet. Come on, let's take a look and see how it's made. So you're going to need some yellow paper. This is A4, but any size is fine, but roughly this sort of size. A little bit white for the wings, a little bit pink for the tongue and the eyes, and a black pen, but you can also use black paper if you prefer. And some glue stick and scissors, but black paper is fine if you don't want to do any colouring by pen. So I'm going to fold this in 1/3, not exact, approximately. Turn it round and then fold up. Again, not all the way, just so that it's a bit wider and you can use more of the paper as a puppet. So you've got kind of this tube. This is what gives you the place for your fingers. So I'm going to glue this down. Okay, bit of glue stick. Just add some glue to the outside, or this outside edge, and fold. Make it really neat. Now you flip it around, so this edge is on that side, and this is a neat edge, and you fold it in half. Fold that down. And flip over and fold this side down. So when you've looking at it like that, you've got that W shape. This basically, it gives you space for your fingers. So you've got your basic hand puppet made. Some people like to put a little bit of sellotape here and here just to hold it all in place, but you don't have to do that. And now you decorate it as a bee. So the first thing we're going to need is some eyes and some wings and some stripes. So I'm going to draw some eyes first to cut out. So I've got my wings, my eyes, my tongue, my body. Now we're just going to take our black pen and put on some stripes. But like I said, you can also use black paper. And there you have your bee paper puppet. Let's have a go. Let's see what it looks like. There you go. How cute is that? Yay! Now, remember, if you like this video, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Above all, keep watching, keep making, and I'd love to see you here again soon. Take care.